there, fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to help you kickstart and improve your journey in the world of online business. Today we have an exciting topic lined up that's bound to captivate all you beginner dropshippers out there. We're diving into the realm of dropshipping suppliers and revealing the top 5 gems that can pave the way for your success. So grab a notebook and pen because you won't want to miss out on this valuable information. Our first supplier on the list is a true game changer for beginners. They offer a wide range of products that cater to various niches, ensuring you have a diverse catalog to captivate your target audience. And that supplier is supplier number 1, AliExpress. This platform is widely known for extensive product selection and low prices. It's beginner friendly and offers a straightforward dropshipping process. Let's go over some pros. Wide product selection. AliExpress offers a vast array of products from various categories, allowing you to find a diverse range of items to sell in your dropshipping business. Low prices. The prices on AliExpress are often very competitive, making it easier to find products with a good profit margin for your business. No minimum order quantities. AliExpress allows you to purchase products in small quantities or even single units, which is ideal for dropshippers who may not have the capital or storage space for bulk orders. And now for the cons. Long shipping times. One of the main drawbacks of AliExpress is the extended shipping times, particularly for products shipped from China. It can take several weeks or even months for items to arrive, which may result in less satisfied customers. Another con is the product quality variability. As AliExpress hosts numerous sellers, the quality of products can vary significantly. Some sellers may offer high quality items while others may have lower quality products. It's crucial to research and choose reputable sellers with positive ratings and reviews. Inventory management. AliExpress does not provide real-time inventory updates, so there's a possibility of ordering products that are out of stock. This can lead to delays or the need to find alternative suppliers. Supplier number 2 is CJDropshipping. CJDropshipping offers a wide range of products with efficient shipping and fulfillment services. They provide integration with various e-commerce platforms. So the pros of CJ. They have US-based suppliers available who can ship within 4 business days. If you wish, you can just go for US-based suppliers. But they also have warehouses available in 9 different countries, so you can rely heavily on their logistics network. It does come with a price, but worry not. You can use it for a 30-day free trial to check out if it works for you or not. Also, they offer a wide product catalog, high-quality products with dedicated customer support. Now let's go over the cons. Product availability and inventory management. CJDropshipping relies on the availability of products from its network of suppliers. This means there is a possibility of stockouts or limited inventory for certain items. Managing inventory levels and ensuring product availability can be challenging, especially during peak seasons or high demand periods. Returns and customer support. Handling returns and customer support can be challenging when using CJ Dropshipping. Reason why: the platform operates primarily as a middleman between you and the supplier. So resolving return requests or addressing customer inquiries may involve additional steps to get to your supplier. Okay, supplier number 3, and you're gonna like this one, it's Amazon. So let's go over the pros of Amazon. Extensive product selection. Amazon offers an enormous range of products across various categories. You can find almost anything you need to sell, making it a convenient one-stop shop for sourcing inventory, fast and reliable shipping. Amazon is known for its efficient fulfillment and fast shipping services, such as Amazon Prime. This can help you provide timely delivery to your customers, leading to increased satisfaction. Trusted brand and customer trust. Amazon is a globally recognized brand, better recognized, and many customers trust the platform for their online shopping needs. Associating your business with Amazon's reputation can enhance credibility and boost customer confidence. Cons. Price fluctuations. Amazon is a marketplace where a lot of sellers are selling on the same listing. So the price fluctuates a lot if the listing is sold by a third-party seller. You have to use keep to check pricing history. Out of stock issue. The demand of products on Amazon are high and prices are reasonable. So products sell fast. You need to be aware of product OOS issues. Again, you can keep track and check on all of this by using keep check OOS issue history for any products. Suspension risk. Amazon has strict policies and guidelines. Sometimes Amazon suspends the buyer or seller account if they notice they are doing unusual activity on it. Finding this video helpful? Well, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with all of our upcoming content packed with valuable insights and strategies to help you thrive in the world of dropshipping. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Moving on to supplier number 4, SamsClub. Wholesale pricing. SamsClub offers products at wholesale prices, allowing you to purchase inventory at a discounted rate. This can help improve your profit margins and competitiveness. Let's go over some pros. Wholesale pricing. SamsClub offers products at wholesale prices, allowing you to purchase inventory at a discounted rate. This can help improve your profit margins and competitiveness. Bulk purchasing. Similar to Costco, very, very similar to Costco, keep that in mind. SamsClub specializes in selling products in bulk quantities. If your business requires large quantities of items, buying in bulk from SamsClub can be cost-effective and convenient. Membership benefits. SamsClub operates on a membership-based model, and becoming a member provides access to exclusive deals, discounts, and other benefits. This can be valuable for your business, especially if you plan to make regular purchases. Now let's go over the cons. So a con can also be the membership requirement. So similar to Costco, very, very similar to Costco, access to SamsClub products and services require a membership. Now, even though this can be a pro, it can be a con as well. So if you prefer not to pay for a membership, or if your business doesn't align with the membership model, this can be a drawback. Limited availability. SamsClub has fewer locations compared to other wholesale retailers, which may limit accessibility depending on where your buyer is located. This can impact convenience and shipping costs. So free shipping is a con when it comes to SamsClub because you can only have 20 addresses on one membership and giving those 20 addresses free shipping. That's just how it is. And also, it's just for the US market. Now on to supplier number 5, Costco. Basically the same exact thing as SamsClub, word for word. Pros, wholesale pricing. Costco offers products at wholesale prices, allowing you to obtain inventory at a discounted rate. This can potentially lead to higher profit margins for your business. Bulk purchasing. Costco specializes in selling products in bulk quantities. If your business requires large quantities of items, buying in bulk from Costco can be an advantage in terms of cost savings and convenience. Membership benefits. So Costco operates on a membership-based model, and becoming a member provides access to exclusive deals, discounts, and other benefits. SamsClub. This can be valuable for your business, particularly if you plan to make frequent purchases. Now, some of the cons. This, just like SamsClub, is for the US market. There is a membership requirement, so access to Costco's products and services require a membership. Again, it can be a pro, it can be a con, all depends on what you need for your business. This can be a drawback if you prefer not to pay for a membership or if your business doesn't align with Costco's membership model. They have limited product variety, so while Costco offers a diverse range of products, the selection within each category may be limited compared to other wholesalers or suppliers. This can restrict your options if you're seeking specific products or niche items. Another con when it comes to Costco, limited dropshipping support. So Costco's business model is primarily focused on in-store shopping, and they do not explicitly support dropshipping. This means that integrating Costco as a dropshipping supplier may be challenging. Wow! What an incredible lineup of dropshipping suppliers for beginners. I have to know, have you used any of these suppliers before? If so, please share your experience with them down below in the comment section. Well, folks, we've reached the end of our journey through the top 5 dropshipping suppliers for beginners. We've uncovered a diverse array of options that cater to various needs and skill levels. Remember, choosing the right supplier can set the foundation for your dropshipping success. So, take your time. Do your research and consider the unique advantages and challenges each supplier brings. With the right partner by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve in the exciting world of dropshipping. Until next time, happy selling and stay tuned for more insightful content from our channel.